Hey guys, so if you're having an issue with your E36 where you turn the key on and it powers all the electronics, but it doesn't actually crank over the starter, this is a potential fix for that issue, and definitely worth trying before you actually go out and buy a new starter and do all the work replacing it, which is a total pain. You don't want to do that if you can avoid it. So essentially, we're here in the glove box, or in the passenger side. We have the glove box of the car removed. So down here is all the control modules for the car. So this plug in question here, this is for the EWS, which is the security system of the car. Now this model, it's a 96 328i. So it has the EWS 2 system, and I know that this fix works on EWS 2 equipped cars, but if your car has EWS 1, so if it's a be earlier than 96 E36 basically, so like a 325 or something, this probably will work, but I can't confirm that 100%, but it's definitely still worth a shot if you're having this problem. So basically, this plug here, it looks like this normally. That goes down there into the EWS module. So what you want to do is you want to remove the plug and kind of pull it up over here like this. And then you want to look and see where you have the two really thick power wires right here. And that goes to, one goes to this port and the other goes to this port where my nail is. Now, what you want to do is, this issue is often caused by your EWS module going bad, and rather than having to go somewhere and have it replaced or just having to spend a lot of money buying a new module, this little trick bypasses the module entirely, so it does not make it so that way your car starting is dependent on this module working. So what you want is you want to take this wire, you want to take like a nice, decently thick wire, just something that will provide a constant, stable connection, and just put it in those two ports. And once you kind of fix that in there decently well, that's literally it. Your car should start up now. If it doesn't, then there's a good chance it may actually be the starter. But yeah, I mean, this is what worked for me. I was having this issue. I bought a new starter and replaced it. Spent like a week replacing the starter, and then still didn't start. So I came over here, took everything apart, and it turns out it was just this little fucker right here. So either way, if this helps anybody, that's great.